Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the sound and vibration section, and then to the phone ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones, you can set up custom ringtone, but I'm just gonna select one of these default ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. Okay, I'm gonna stay with this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.